Hello guys, it's me, Earth, back at it again. Well, I haven't played this. I hope y'all can hear me because I'm muted because I said something. But yeah, here's all my stuff. I mean, like, I kind of just started. So, in this video, my gosh, I want to show y'all some good combos with, where is it? Of course, it's just rolling away. So, I want to show y'all. Is it? My phone ringing? Hope not. My phone is ringing. FaceTime video. Who the hell is calling? Everyone's supposed to be in school. It's weird. So, if you have Crash Bro, Flashbang, and the bomb, what you can do is, so, act like I'm in stage 5, and I'm trying to kill someone. I'm not gonna go all the way to stage 5. It'll take too long. But act like I'm in stage 5, and I'm trying to kill someone. Hit them with the flashbang and then the bomb, so they can't see and don't have a good reaction time with the because of the flashbang. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do that. Chat, should I like? Chat, should I like go in the sewer? Like, I have stuff for it. I have the crowbar. Honestly, don't really need that. I don't want to go down to the sewer because of the new monster. I would if that monster wasn't there. So I guess I'll do that, and then I don't want to lose that backpack. It's my favorite one, even though it's my only one. I think I have everything I really need. I didn't mean to do that. I think I really have everything I need. I need a light, backpack, and crowbar. Okay, let's do this. Wait. Yeah, this one. Alright, I guess I'll go. I guess I'll just go in here. Honestly. It's good to get covered in coins. I'm nuts. Stop thinking like that, guys. I know y'all are dirty-minded. Copper. How much does the copper sell for? I want to test it. A backpack full of copper, so 5 copper. I don't really want to go down there because I don't feel like having a meet and greet with the spider. So yo, let's go. I mean, I really need nuts. I mean, I was once at 500,000. Not to brag, but I was. And then people started begging me for stuff. And me being the nice person I am, I'd buy it. Well, at least the stuff that I had that I could give. Okay, I'm just gonna grab that. Okay, so I don't really have a set reason why I'm in here. But I just know I want to be in here. So, yay! getting a nice little video. Yes, I'm at 8 now. Let's go. It's really all I really need right now. Is company coin. I mean, not company coins. Research coins. Okay, yeah, this is the way out. Okay, good. I don't like the forest. The forest is scary. Like, it really scares me. So yeah, guys, this is what I look like. Woohoo! Yeah, that's kind of weird. I really wonder if y'all can hear me right now because I'm muted. I really hope so, because if y'all don't, I'm gonna have to re-record when this timer's over. Makes me angry. So this backpack has how many? 3. Oh well. Do not go to that sewer. Do not. Dude. That just makes me mad. Okay. Okay, there we go. How much money? Give me the money. That's disappointing. Real disappointing. I barely got any more money than the backpack is worth. Dang. Explosives. I call this a Dorito. I don't know why. Probably because it's red. It makes your flavor taste buds go boom. You go boom, not your taste buds. Well, technically, your taste buds are a part of you, so technically, it could make you go boom. I can't talk. It can make your taste buds go boom. So this is what I do. Well, before I got the crossbow unlocked and the grenade, I would beg people for at least half an hour to give me a crowbar. I mean, not crowbar, crossbow. And if someone would, or I would find it on the floor, and I would grab it, and I'd do this with the dynamite, and I'd go. So it'd go boom. So yeah, it's fun. I seriously don't really want this. Whoa. So, okay. Should I go to the office? I mean, that can get scary, but I mean, I don't know. Cause I mean, it gets scary in there. I don't like scary stuff, y'all. Except if it's like a YouTube video. Like, I'm good with scary. Instead of dropping the gun, I dropped my controller. I dropped my controller. I hate that sound. But guys, I get no. No. No, it's gone. It's gone. It's just no. I can just buy another one. It's not that expensive. Wait, is it? How much is it? Not too expensive. No, get back here. Guys, the thing about me putting them on my belt is I'm extremely fat. Well, not extremely, but I got belly. So, it's kind of hard for me to put it on. Why did I spawn in up here? What? That's weird. What's downstairs then? If I spawn up here, what's down here? Oh, could I? Wait, could I, shoulda, woulda? Coulda, shoulda, woulda? Nothing? Huh. That was weird. That's probably what the new update was. Well, part of it. Chat, I see something. Fire alarm. It don't work. That makes me sad. Okay, so if y'all don't know this, I don't know where y'all been living, but it's a mom. So if y'all didn't know that, you do now. Okay. It's like, where'd it go? Oh, I hate this. It's scary. That's why. I just don't like scary stuff, especially when I'm alone. Like when I'm with someone else, I'm good. But when I'm by myself and there's something scary, I'm scared. Hell no. Nope. Sorry, no. I'm a scaredy cat. I was actually about to shoot that to get me out of here. Get me out. The only place outside of the tree stump area that I will go to is not there, because that's still kind of scary. Back here. The lake is the only place besides the tree stump place that I will go. Cause look, it's not scary at all. It's so cool. It looks so cool. You know? But look how cool it looks. Is that pollution? How haven't I noticed that? No? Give me a... Did I just hear a little gremlin? What are these? Oh, I don't know. Oh crap, it's polluted. The water is polluted. Guys, stop polluting the oceans. The oceans is nice, but polluting is not. So guys, recycle, you know? Recycle the stuff. Recycle stuff. Don't throw your trash in the ocean. Because it's not just hurting you, it's hurting other animals. I mean, like, and an animal company, it can hurt you. Animal company wouldn't have put that in if animal company people would have put it in if y'all would be polluting the water. They can. Why is this honestly kind of scary? Now me over here. Try to calculate. Chat, I actually have a good idea. Hold up. Let me get out of this lake. Please keep me up here. Just need to walk over here. Get up here. Go right here. Now I can hold 4 items without even having it in my... I can... Not make you accidentally keep dropping my controllers. Because I don't use the straps. Like, honestly, I seriously don't use the straps. Like, the straps are just boring. So, where's my bag? I don't need a glow stick. Or a key card. I just need 2 growlers. And then more growlers. I don't like growlers. Please. You might be asking, why do I get 2? You'll see. What's up? This is why. I do this when we're playing like hide and seek. I do this when I'm like playing hide and seek with my friends. Or tag. Because usually when we play hide and seek, it's hide and seek tag. I'm the captain of this ship. And I say, I am the Lorax, guardian of the forest. And I say, let it grow, let it grow. We are an animal company. Something sinking. Because I can read well. Have you all seen the Lorax on TikTok? Like, it's honestly so funny. I am a Lorax, guardian of the forest, and I say, let it grow, let it grow. We are in a Costco. Let it grow, let it grow. I don't know the full song, but I know part of it. But yeah, guys. This is my favorite stuff to do in Animal Company. Well, it's just when I'm not alone. Because I'm lonely. I am so lonely. Alright guys, bye.